Alright, this is Joshua coming to you. This is part 2. We're just testing this pattern cut just to see whether it's going to work or not. I don't know whether you can see the pen marks on here. So I just used a steel ruler and drew this out. So it's going to be close to where the jigsaw is actually going to be cutting in. And this is the piece that we actually cut out of here. But we have a little problem with the corners being rounded. This could be a plus or minus at this point. I don't know. It'd be nice to have the corners a little bit sharper. And if you had a router, that's what you would get. So the depth of your blade does make a difference. And we're using a really rough blade here. This is all kind of thrown together tonight. Okay, so let's give this a try. So what I'm going to do here is just cut from here. I'm going to go by the pencil line, so I might have to do a back cut on this one. So we're about an eighth of an inch outside of the line. So I actually go just a little bit over the line, then I make the turn on the jigsaw. I'm finding that the width of the blade is kind of fighting me. So I may have to go to a real narrow blade on this. Let's break this piece off. Right at the edge, let's make our turn. Okay, let's get rid of this here. Almost there. Ooh, I'm way outside my cut. So I'm going to have to set up a bench. There you go. You actually want to make your turn before the corner. This blade is, you're going to have to go to a narrow blade here as far as width. Let's take a look at it. Where's the original piece here? Let's put them back to back. It's close. It's going to take a little bit of doing here to get it right on. I think we do have a system. I'll probably go to a piece of 1/2 inch wood, and so everything is going to be fastened down tight, so there's no give. You can still see the line here, but I'm having here when I turn it, it wants to fight me. But you can see the line is not bad. So with being set up a little better, I think it's going to work. And then you put all your pieces together and tool them off, sand them down, because they're going to be butting together like this here, right, for the relocation platforms. So you need your corners to be fairly tight. There's not too much room for air here. So if the corners do end up being rounded, it's going to leave a little bit of gap there, and that's the reason for using the router at some point. But we'll do what we can with what we have. Okay, this ends it here.